Hey guys, so I'm filming this after the fact. Doing the transmission rebuild on the Evo 8. This Nardo gray wrapped one right here. And I've already finished rebuilding it. And everything, all the gears feel smooth. The only thing I haven't done is put it in the car to see how it actually drives and shifts and stuff. But I have zero doubt that it's gonna have any problems. Like all the bearings, synchros, everything has been upgraded and replaced. But yeah, let's get this back together, get it wrapped up, and then get started on the T-case. So let's do it. Currently got the input shaft side torn apart. Basically, they remove in this order. This one actually sits on here like that, so it should technically be like this. And then this race or journal is bearing. It's a two-piece, just kind of sits over that. But yeah, so far all the bearings look really good. I mean, I don't know how they're supposed to look, but this should be third gear. In third gear and fourth gear we're grinding, but this doesn't look bad. But then again, I don't know what good is. So yeah, anyways, we're just gonna keep chugging along at it. Try to film taking the gears off of this one. There's a couple of these snap rings that you have to remove, and then we used a gear puller to pull the bearing off the top of the input shaft, which was sitting right here. We used that, we just pulled it off. So same process with this. If I wanted to pull this out, we're just going to use this gear puller and just kind of like hook onto the sides here and just pull it straight out. But yeah, other than that, everything just kind of slides right off. Yeah, pretty straightforward. These are the carbon friction pads, I guess you could say. This is looking pretty clean. If you look at this one, these look fine, because I don't know how they're supposed to look. But if you look in here, this is it's got some like heat marks. It's got heat marks, so it's probably why it doesn't it's probably why I'm grinding third and fourth. But yeah, anyways, let's get this on. Here's the new sleeve. Here's the old sleeve. Honestly, there's nothing wrong with the old sleeve at all. Probably could just run it and be fine, because I'm pretty sure it's just the synchros that were it already came with a new kit or a new one, so I'm just gonna go ahead and replace it. This is the one where it has the 3 special slots, huh? and ring down like that. This ring goes down, it comes in the instructions, but up here is smooth, down here has these grooves. This is always facing down. You sound like you know what we're talking about, we actually don't know.
Yeah.
And you can see these are machined a little bit further than the rest of them, so there's only 3 orientations where this sleeve can go in. It's either you know, right here, or you know, there's another one right here, and then another one over here somewhere, and they're all like perfectly, what was this, 120 degrees away from each other. So that means that it can go in 1 of 3 ways.
There it is.
Alright guys, so got the transmission pretty much all put back together. These 3 shafts have to slide in at the same time as these 2 pinions, I guess, shafts, input output shafts, and then this also has to be raised up so that this you can't really see it that well, but down here there's a like another gear down there that has to fit into these teeth. So this has to be raised up a little bit, and these have to be all dropped down as one assembly right into these holes and all together. But yeah, everything looks like it's working smoothly. I'll show you guys a quick demonstration. Doing it by hand is actually kind of hard, but with that lever on the side, it's actually very smooth. So yeah, now I just got to scrape off all this sealant and then put on the sealant, and she'll be ready to go. Alright guys, just like that, she's sealed up. Everything went in smoothly. Go through the shifters for you. That's third or fourth, I don't know which one it is, but that's third or fourth. That's fifth. That's reverse. And then that's first, that's second, and then back to third, fourth. So like I said, everything shifts smoothly. I got no doubt about this transmission working flawlessly. So, yep, that's it. I'm not gonna final torque these guys yet because the silicone still needs to dry, but pretty much that wraps up this video. I will get a video of it in the car running, going through the gears, see if it makes any more sounds, grinding. So yeah, pretty stoked. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one.